How's it going, everyone? It's Gadgets Boy. Welcome to another video, and in this one we have something for the gamers out there, and it's the new Xbox wireless headset for the Xbox Series X, the Series S, and it even works with iOS and Android devices, and also works with a Windows laptop as well. It's also compatible with Xbox accessories app, so you can use it to tweak a few settings here and there, which I'll talk about as we go through the headphone itself. So to get started, we're just going to unbox it and see what you get inside the box. So you do get the pair of headphones itself, very nice and simple in here, and you also get a USB cable, so it's a USB-A to USB-C cable, so you can plug it into your Xbox and use it to charge your pair of headphones. Talking about charging as well, this will last you a good while as well on charge. So if you charge this for 3 hours, it will last you for 15 hours, which is a long time to be gaming with the pair of headphones itself. And if you don't have time to wait for that long, if you charge it for about 30 minutes, it will give you 4 hours of battery life. So that's enough to get a quick session of Call of Duty in to game and chat to your friends at the same time. Taking a closer look at the pair of headphones themselves, so what you've got is two sides where with big rotary button on there. So one side is to adjust the volume of the gaming session and the voice chat as well, so you can adjust the control as you see fit. Behind that on the left side is where you also get the power button and pairing button as well. So you press and hold it for 4 seconds, you'll be able to pair it up with your Xbox Series X or S. You've also got a button on there which I quite like, which is a microphone mute button. So if you press that, there's an indicator light that comes on the microphone itself that lets you know when it's picking up voice and when it's not picking up voice. They also feature something called auto mute. So with this, when you're not talking, it will automatically mute itself so it doesn't pick up voice in the room or anything else. It's also got voice isolation, so with this it just means that it's picking up your voice and not the background noise that's going on in the room where you are. So again, it just makes your voice nice and clear for people to hear you when you're gaming with your friends or just gaming online in general. You've also got spatial audio, so if you're gaming on things like Gears, you'll be able to enjoy the surround sound as you're gaming in your game environment, which is really cool. Something that you probably don't get a lot with headphones in this sort of price range. I'll talk more about the price in a second, but at this point, if you want to guess the price, feel free to do so. On the right side of the headphones itself, you've got another rotary dial for controlling the volume in general. And if you look closely as well, you've got this nice perforated design, which I quite like. They look like the design that you find on the Xbox Series X and the Series S console itself. So it kind of has the same design language that you get on those devices. Moving down a little bit further on where that rotary side is, you are on the volume side. You also get your USB-C ports, which is where you'd plug it in to charge the device itself. This also supports over-the-air updates, so whenever there's a new update for the pair of headphones, you'll be able to get those updates and update it very quickly. The headband's also adjustable, so you can easily pull it out and adjust it to fit your head size. And it's also flexible to a certain extent, but don't over flex it. That was just for test purposes to see how far it can go. So depending on your head size, I'm sure no one's got head size this big, but considering my head is actually quite big, it just fits nicely and nice and comfortable as well. And the 40mm drivers produce really good sound quality. I've connected to my smartphone just to quickly test it and see what we get. And using that Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity, it actually does sound really good as well. You got really rich bass, you got nice, smooth mid and really rich tone when it comes to the higher frequencies as well. So again, voice clarity, sound, audio, sounds really good, which is quite impressive for something that costs this much as well. And it's super lightweight, so again, it doesn't feel heavy on the head. If you're going to be wearing this for a long period of time, you don't have to worry about things like that. The microphone itself is adjustable, so this little area here, you can just move it around to wherever you want it. So you can wrap it around so you don't see it. So if you're listening to music, you don't see it. So when you want to use it, you can just put it out, put it on, and you got it like that. And then you can rotate each side for volume and all that kind of stuff, which is pretty cool. Connecting it to your Xbox Series X or Series S is very easy as well. You just need to press the button on the side here. You just press and hold it for 4 seconds. And you get the LED indicator light start pulsating, and also you get a sound that feedback as well in your headphones, so you can actually know that it's in pairing mode, and it's flashing right now. So you then press the pairing button as well on your Xbox Series X, for example, and then you can do the setup process. You can also then go into Xbox console settings and see what settings are available for you. I'll show you that just now. So once you've connected it to your Xbox Series X, in my scenario, you got Xbox accessory settings where you can see your pair of headphones and you can update it there. So I was talking about over-the-air update earlier, so this is where you'd get that, so you can do so. If we come out completely and go into general settings, we can then go into volume and output settings, audio output settings, and you can see that you've got your chat output, which is the headset. So you'd select your headset. You can also select headset and speakers as well if you wish to do so. But where I really wanted to touch on here, it's when you go to headset format. As for your spatial or spatial audio, whatever you call it, what you've got here is your stereo uncompressed. You got Windows Sonic for headphones, Dolby Atmos for headphones, and DTS Headphone Hex. So this is where you'd configure those things so you can enjoy spatial audio with the games like Gears. So those are the little settings that you can do here. Obviously, you've also got the accessory app as well, which you can then use to customize things like equalizer settings to suit your preference. But that's it for my first impressions and unboxing of the Xbox wireless headset. If you guys have any questions, as always, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer your questions. If you want to find out more information, will be in the description area, so do check it out. And if it's your first time on the channel, please do subscribe, hit that bell notification as well, so you'll be one of the first people to know every time I upload a new video up on the channel. Smash that like button and share it as well, and happy gaming. See you guys in the next video.